Just wanted to share with you all the table that we got from Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture. We're here in New Mexico and we wanted a unique piece of furniture to go up here in our mountain house. And so we found Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture and contacted them so they could go ahead and make this beautiful table for us.
Rosemary and Orlando G. from Ruidoso, New Mexico, dreamed of a statement piece for their Southwest-style dining room. In April of 2021, they submitted their design idea online to Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture.
If you'll take a look at the table, it's got beautiful wood grain throughout the entire table. Since we are having the table here in New Mexico, we decided to incorporate a little bit of some turquoise, because that's very common here in New Mexico, into our river rocks. And we also included a few arrowheads and some fossils as well here too, just to kind of add accent to the river. You can see that the inside of the river right here has a little bit of a live edge, which really adds and accents the river rocks that are right there. And we're just really tickled to have this in our house and have this beautiful piece of work here in our house.
Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture is an American company specializing in made-to-order epoxy and wood, live edge, and rustic to modern furniture for homeowners, businesses, tradesmen, and interior designers throughout the United States. Each of these exquisite custom dining tables was co-designed by a homeowner and the skilled furniture designers at Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture. From your vision, we came up with a totally original design concept for a statement piece dining table. Then, we brought that vision to life at our furniture-making facility in Cleveland, Ohio. Epoxy resin and wood dining tables are solid wood slabs with epoxy-filled indentations, canyons, or CNC carvings to create an especially artsy, fun, colorful piece. Epoxy tables with embedded items such as shells, river rocks, crystals, or other memorabilia are a really creative and popular choice. We can create 3D renderings of your table for you to view, make changes to, and approve when you love the design. We always keep the lines of communication open for updates on the progress of your custom dining table. You'll be with us every step of the way. So for more information, to talk with a designer, or to order your own custom river table or desk, call 440-591-5511 or shoot us an email at customerservice@chagrinvalleycustomfurniture.com. Let us help you turn your creative vision into a reality.